Hi, my name's John. Welcome to the first Sunday of the month. On the first Sunday of the month, we'll do the free giveaway. I'm going to go upstairs, press some buttons on the computer and see if I can find a winner. Right, 65 Scud. All you've got to do is send me an email, that's me, email is up there, and I'll get them in the post for you as soon as possible. I'm going to do another giveaway this month. If you want to enter the video, all you have to do is obviously subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it with as many friends as possible. In the comment box, you must write a specific comment that enables my computer to pull out a winning name. The comment you need to write is 2024 giveaway 4. Simple as that. You put that in, you can write anything you want as long as you include that phrase. I'll put that into my computer and it pulls the winner out. Anyway, let's show the prizes and I wish you all the best of luck. These are the prizes for this month's giveaway. A set of Cleveland drills. I use these, I like them all the time. I don't get them given, I've got to buy them. I buy things to give away. There's a nice little deburring tool here. That comes from my friend Rob at Extreme Plasma. Also a nice keyring, Power Weld keyring, because Rob does sell Power Weld welders. I normally have a mug to give away a Doubleboost cup, but I haven't got any left. So Rob, if you're watching this, I need some more cups, mate. And last but not least is a Starrett last word indicator. It's a bit of an antique, but it is an antique that works. It's a nice little indicator, certainly worth winning. I've got 2 or 3 of these. I mean, I can only use one. This is one of the better of the 3.